Gathering information is the important phase of investigation. That's why many investigators use social networking platform for collecting information about their target. Social networking is the most popular platform which are used by everyone. Today we will show you a tool used to find how many times an email ID has been used in various social networking platforms. Tool called User Raccoon which is designed to find email ID usage on 75 different social media platforms. So for testing purposes, we will use Kali Linux 2018.4 AMD64. So first of all, copy the link from the GitHub, type git clone, paste the copied URL and then press enter. Then type cd space user raccoon, then type ls for listing the content. First of all, you have to change the permission of user raccoon.sh. For that, type chmod u+x, then type user raccoon, then enter. Now you can see that the permission has been changed of user raccoon.sh. Now execute the user raccoon.sh. Here you have to enter the target username, or you can also specify the email ID. We will use random email addresses as this video is only for educational purpose. Now the user raccoon will check the email ID on various social networking platforms. It might take some time for scanning. As you can see, the scan has finished and it has saved the file in the text format. You can also check out the text file. As you can see, user raccoon has found that this email ID has been used to register on various social networking platforms. This information can be used in various information gathering phases. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to Security Newspaper channel for more security updates.